Accounting policies. Accounting policies encompass the principles, bases, conventions, rules, and procedures adopted by managements in preparing and presenting financial statements. There are many different accounting policies in use even in relation to the same subject. Accounting policies are the specific accounting assumptions and the methods of applying these principles for the preparation and presentation of financial statements of an enterprise. These policies are based upon the accounting concepts and conventions. We've covered it all. Hit that I button at the top right for detailed video. Since different enterprises follow different accounting concepts, there cannot be a single set of accounting policies which can be applicable to every type of enterprise under all the situations. They are usually as per prevalent GAAP with limited choice to entity. The areas where different types of accounting policies are used by different enterprises are valuation of inventories, deciding how to value products a company holds, example using the cost of the earliest or latest items bought, treatment of goodwill, how to account for the value of a company's brand or reputation, valuation of fixed assets, how to value things like buildings or machinery, treatment of contingent liabilities, handling potential debts that might arise, like lawsuits, valuation of investments, how to value stocks or bonds the company owns, treatment of retirement benefits, accounting for employee pensions and benefits, treatment of depreciation, spreading out the cost of assets like equipment over time, treatment of foreign exchange transactions, handling money conversions for international business. Businesses can choose different policies based on what makes sense for their industry, local laws, or business practices. However, they usually have to follow standard guidelines like GAAP, with some room to pick methods that fit their needs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And most importantly, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.